Welcome to Something You Should Try. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, gadget fan, trendsetter, or crave the experience of what's next, you've come to the right place.
Cuisinart has an easier, healthier way to make fresh, crisp movie theater-style popcorn right in the microwave. It's a perfect snack that cooks quickly and easily in any microwave. The Cuisinart collapsible microwave popcorn maker's silicone bowl pops kernels without needing any oil. Add your favorite toppings for sweet or savory popcorn customized to your taste. The popcorn bowl is completely collapsible, which makes storage a breeze. The removable lid has vent holes, so moisture can escape, and you have fresh popcorn every time. Remember to always use the high function, not the popcorn function, as the popcorn function is intended only for manufactured popcorn bags. How to use: extend the popcorn maker out completely, whether you are putting the minimum or maximum amount of kernels in the silicone bowl. Evenly distribute the kernels on the bottom. Put the lid on. Microwave on high. Depending on the amount of kernels that are added will yield your results. For 5 cups of popcorn, add 2 tablespoons of corn kernels. Microwave on high for 3 minutes. For 8 cups of popcorn, add a 1/4 cup of kernels and microwave on high for 3 minutes and 45 seconds. For 10 cups of popcorn, add a 1/3 cup of kernels and microwave on high for 4 minutes. It's fast, convenient, and dishwasher safe. Enjoy movie night right at home with the Cuisinart collapsible microwave popcorn maker.
The Zulai Froth-Mate Frother makes rich, creamy froth in seconds. Designed for a perfect, comfortable grip with a large, easy press button. Perfect for making your coffee exactly to taste, as well as so many other uses, such as whipped cream, a mixer for protein shakes or electrolytes, salad dressing, scrambled eggs, matcha, and more. Get yours today.
Egg cookers. Hi, I'm Clay with Dash. Cooking eggs with our egg cookers is super easy, but I'm going to teach you some tips and tricks on how to make perfect eggs every time. All right, first let me show you how easy it is to make eggs. All you're going to do is use the little pin on the bottom of the cup to pierce the wide side of each egg. Fill up your egg cooker and then fill up your cup with the right amount of water for the number of eggs you have. Then you just pour the water right onto the heating plate, put the lid on, and turn the machine on. And then you just have to wait for the little chime and your eggs are done. Why do you pierce eggs? That's a great question. Have you noticed when you get your eggs home from the grocery store, they're always wide side up? That's because there's a little pocket of air in that side of the egg. When we use the pin to prick the eggs, it's going to do 3 things by releasing that air. 1, it's going to make the egg easier to peel. 2, it's going to prevent the egg from cracking under the heat. And 3, it will make it so you don't cook an egg with a flat side on the top. While these eggs are cooking, let me talk about the egg cup. Now, if you got a large egg cooker, it will come with a large egg cup. And if you read the side, you might be thinking, why does it take less water to cook more eggs? I know it's confusing, but it's physics which are confusing. Less eggs take up less space, which means there needs to be more steam to cook them. Make sense? Speaking of science, if you live at a high altitude, then water is going to boil at a lower temperature, which means you might need slightly more water to cook your eggs. My eggs are done. Now that they're finished cooking, I would suggest putting them in some cold water, which will stop the cooking so you get really yellow yolks. It's also going to make them slightly easier to peel. That's a perfect egg. And that's it.
For more information on these products, click the link in the description box and remember to subscribe.